In this quick guide, I want to show you how you can use macchanger to spoof your MAC address of your network interfaces and how to automate this process with the daemon service, so every time you boot, you assign a new MAC address to your network interfaces. And for that, we first need to install the package macchanger. Make sure you adjust the command to your package manager and distro. In this case, I've already done that, and that's why I jump straight to the man page of macchanger. And here we can see the options. Now you can look into that and adjust the right command for you, but in this case I'm using random. And let's try it out. First of all, I need to determine which interfaces I have with iwconfig, and this will show all my network interfaces. This one is my Wi-Fi adapter, and I will copy it and use sudo macchanger -r for random and the network interface. And there we have a new MAC address. Alright, let's automate this process and create a daemon service. For that, I'm going to sudo nano etc systemd system macspoof @service. You will find this configuration in the description. In this case, I'm using random. Save it, write and exit. And now we have to enable the daemon. So every time we boot, it will be randomized. For that, we need to sudo systemctl enable macspoof at your interface. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.